Alright guys, welcome to another quick episode. So I'm always asked how the car feels in comparison to stock, and Albert here has a stock S model.
For slow.
Yeah. So the only thing is his is the sedan, and it's not the flex fuel. So he's going to take it for a ride and see the difference between his and mine.
Yours makes noises. Oh, your gear shifter's weird. Your neutral is right here. Mine is down here.
Yeah, the short shifter moves everything kind of up.
Do some donuts.
It's all-wheel drive, right?
Yeah, it's got the RSR all-wheel drive conversion.
Oh, yeah.
Just kidding.
But I want a Tokyo trip. Yeah, your throttle's far more responsive. Because mine, if I go like that, there's a substantial delay. I do not know your ears.
Yeah, I brought this in to have some work done to it. And I'm like, shift pattern may have changed.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, the brakes are stiffer because I have the steel braided lines.
Yeah, that's noticeable. I have a lot of pedal play, and since I need to put brake pads on mine.
Yeah, the steel braided lines swap right over for the ST. What else did you say was different?
Suspension.
Oh yeah,
Much different.
it's got the.
Mine's loosey-goosey.
Oh,
Steering's
mine-
about the same, though.
Haven't touched steering yet.
Okay.
Wait till you get on the main stretch and you can open up the Mustang throttle body.
Give it a little go.
I'm actually going to be taking this exhaust off soon. So if you want an exhaust,
Will it fit? Same underbody?
yeah, it's the same wheelbase.
Okay. Yeah, you have much more throttle response and power after 4,000. It's like your variable valve timing works, mine doesn't.
Oh, that's why I opened up the air box and the exhaust. Because once you do that, you get a lot more power. So then it's not sucking it through the straw, and it's not trying to force it out through the straw, basically.
So mine, if I try and dump third gear to pass somebody, I have a lot of, I don't really know how to explain it, like massive shudder. And I wish we were past this guy so I could actually do it at 50. It's different shifters, something interesting. Yeah, your suspension's much nicer.
Yeah, I highly recommend the Steeda springs.
Yeah, because we're 60 in this turn, mine at like 50, you can feel it more.
Yeah, no, this is built to just drive.
It's peppy.
It's meant to get it out of the way.
Yeah, the shifter would take me a lot to get used to because half the time it feels like I'm not in gear, but
Yeah.
it is.
Yeah, the gear does take a little bit to get used to. But it's actually really similar to the one I had in the Mustang. So,
Yeah, I've never had a short shifter.
yeah, plus for the drive feel, I also have the Steeda rear sway bars that firms it up a little bit.
Yeah, it definitely didn't feel loose anyway.
Pretty cheap mods to get the throttle response down.
He breaks his name.
Yeah.
I didn't even play with the radio.
Yeah, no, it's all on Bluetooth, so.
Yeah, I like it. It's cool.
Definitely think all the mods changed it up a little bit.
Yeah. Should definitely do a video of mine just so you can see.
Yeah, we can do that. Actually, we can throw that in next.
Cool. See y'all later. Sushi time.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that quick video of Albert driving the car. Definitely gives a nice perspective from someone who goes from stock to this one. And I mean, this one's not that heavily modified. So if you guys want to check it out, you can go ahead and look through our playlist for just the Focus and check out some of those mods that we've done. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, like, comment, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.